Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time now is 53 minutes past the hour 4 in the morning. And the date today is March 8, 2025 on a Saturday. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins to retrieve your items, as this may have shifted during the flight. All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. If you have onboard connection on PAL flights, please proceed to the transfer desk. Passengers taking PAL flights departing from the EF Terminal 1